Okay, so do you want me to read the
Just the
innominate?
underlined words.
Okay.
Yeah.
Innominate coxal bone?
Yeah, no one calls it innominate bone. That's a really old, antiquated. I shouldn't say no one. You probably know someone who does.
So which one would you prefer?
Coxal bone. Can anyone tell me if this is a right or a left?
Right.
It's a right because right there's got to be the symphysis pubis, where another one comes together with it. And you can look at our, the skeleton is helpful in this case. And we'll use it.
And the hip bone goes right in here?
Yep.
Out the center
And
of it.
so, plugs right in there like that. Okay.
So when you ask on the test what it is, would you like just coxal?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Right coxal bone.
Pubis symphysis?
Okay, so really, strictly speaking, since the symphysis pubis is an articulation, you really can't show it on one bone, can you? I'd have to point to the skeleton over there at the most medial. Yeah, thank you very much. So technically speaking, I'd have to point right there and say, name the articulation. And you write pubic symphysis or symphysis pubis, either one. And all kinds of muscles attached to all these things.
Ilium?
Okay, so the ilium is, remember the three bones come together in the center of the acetabulum, and the ilium is the larger one up here. Okay,
Iliac crest?
okay, the iliac crest, and you can actually palpate the iliac crest all along its length, and you can see it here. Okay. And so this is roughly the way it sits in there, and that's the anterior superior iliac spine, that little protuberance I was telling you about. Okay, and the iliac crest, a very prominent feature. You can run your hand all the way along it.
Okay, so we got the anterior superior spine?
Yep, the as is, anterior superior iliac spine. You could stick iliac in there or not.
Anterior inferior
The anterior inferior iliac spine, much less prominent.
Acetabulum?
The acetabulum, I
Iliac-
just have to ask that on a quiz, you know.
Iliac fossa?
The iliac fossa, so often these fossas are places where muscles live, aren't they? And not always, but usually you find something in there, and this is where the iliacus muscle is. Okay.